Hey guys, welcome
to
Silver
Technology.
So today we're going to recommend and review and teach you how to use an app. So the app is
Discord.
Okay, so Discord is the VR headset like thingy, and and the background is purple something. So just download it from the App Store. Okay, and then click on it. Okay, now you can either register or log in. If you have an account already, choose login. But now we'll just register. Okay, so you can pick your username. Maybe Jan, and then now we will stop for a while because this this information is a bit private. Okay, bye bye. Okay, so we've entered our email and password for Discord, and now
We will confirm
our date of birth.
We will
for
make a fake
for
code.
demonstration purposes, we will make a fake fake birthday. So don't sue us for this. Okay.
create an account.
Okay, then click create an account, and then you can create your own server. So a server is basically a group chat. So maybe we
You
can
need to choose what it's for.
Yeah, so you can maybe choose a gaming server, and you can give it a name, maybe Jan Gaming. Whoopsie. Gaming channel. Okay, and sorry. Maybe let's call it server.
And then you can also change the profile if you have a photo.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna change it.
Yeah.
so-
If you don't change it, it will be just the default Discord logo.
We will
So-
tell you how to change it when we're in.
Yes. So you can just create a server, and you can even invite a friend to your server. So your friend must be using Discord.
Yeah. Your friend have to have the app Discord, or you can also search it in Safari or Google. That also work.
Yes.
You just need to sign in and register.
Yeah, and also this link expires in 1 day, so you can set it to never expire too, or maybe 12 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour, 30
Depends
minutes.
on what time you want.
Yeah, and you can choose the maximum time of the users of the link, and you can also grant temporary membership. So yeah, members are automatically kicked when they disconnect unless a role is assigned.
But you have to remember to press the button save, otherwise it won't
Yes.
work.
Or you can click
Click
save.
cancel.
Okay, so you can we will just slide that out first.
And then you can type hi. But the bad thing for the app is you can't send a GIF.
Yeah, you can't really send a GIF or stuff. So, but you can still send emojis.
Yeah, there's a lot of emoji.
Okay. So now we'll get on to the profile pictures and stuff. Click settings,
Back
and
button.
then click this, and then so we'll
choose a random photo. For example, this one, and then
Okay, and
press
then we'll use it. Okay, and then it will change it. Okay. Also, you can log out here, and there are a lot of things here. Seriously, a lot. Okay.
Yeah, but maybe we'll teach some of them in another video because it will be too long if we.
Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to teach you how to change your server icon. So just go click these 3 buttons here, and then you can. Sorry. No, it's not here. Sorry. Settings. Click settings. Sorry. You can choose the photo again.
Or you'll
this
use
one.
this again.
Okay, and then you can click close. So it's the same.
Yeah, but this one you can press close because I don't think there's a save button.
So you on top of your server, there's the free people stuff.
You can see
the friends.
Is that guy online or offline?
So you can add a friend first. Yes. So just enter someone's username and wait until
they accept you.
Yeah. So as you can see here, the account we're using, its username is Jen and the hashtag 6668. You can find this in the left down corner or left lower corner. Sorry. So you just click add a friend.
If
click
the little
you can also do a nearby scan. So you must connect to Bluetooth. So we're not going to do that now. Sorry.
And if you see your icon, it's green. That means
you're online.
You're online, and your friend is online.
Yeah, and if the green icon is like an
gray
iPhone or something, then it means someone is using an iPhone or iPad to use Discord.
Yeah.
And also, if it's gray,
that means you're offline. But sometimes people pretend they're offline, so you can go to friends and see if they're really offline.
So you can also upgrade yourself.
Yeah. So
you must verify your account, but we won't do it now. Just check your mail, and then you can also add some pictures here.
But if you didn't upgrade it, if you didn't pay for it, you can't send the video. You can, but it can't be so long.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So basically, that's that.
And if there's some detail, the video will be on the part 2.
Yeah. So please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.